Are you looking for a tasty no-bake cake recipe that takes almost no time to prepare? You've come to the right place, because today's recipe takes only 20 minutes to prepare and it's a delicious cappuccino no-bake cake recipe. This cake is creamy, rich in coffee flavor, and it's a real sweet pleasure when you want to prepare a dessert without spending all day in the kitchen. The combination of whipped cream and cappuccino produces a luscious flavor that appeals to everybody. Let's make this irresistible, delicious, and quick cappuccino cake. First, in a large mixing bowl, beat the eggs together with the sugar for about 10 minutes until they triple in volume. In another bowl, mix the whipped cream with the cappuccino until very stiff peaks are formed. Combine the whipped cream and beaten eggs and mix until very combined. Take a cake mold to shape the cake and arrange a layer of biscuits that you have previously dipped in milk. Add some of the cappuccino filling and spread with a spatula. Repeat arranging layers of biscuits and filling until you have used them up. Coat the whole cake with the remaining filling and leave it to harden for about 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. Before serving, sprinkle the whole cake with cocoa powder. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking until the next time.